Less than 12 hours after last night's grand welcome, reception dinner, and presidential citation and incentives award in Malacanang, the Paris Olympians kicked off this auspicious day at the House of Representatives headquarters for a congressional salute and honor ceremonies led by House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Our Mela Les Moras has the details on the affair that ended with cash rewards distributed to the athletes.
The House of Representatives warmly welcomed earlier today the Philippine delegation from the recently concluded 2024 Paris Olympics. During the congressional reception, House Speaker Martin Romualdez, along with other House leaders, personally handed copies of the resolutions they adopted to honor the country's athletes. Among them, Congressional Medal of Excellence awarded to Olympic double gold medalist Carlos Yulo and the Congressional Medal of Distinction for bronze medalist Nesty Petesio and Ira Villegas. According to Speaker Romualdez, our Filipino Olympians can be considered as modern-day heroes for bringing pride and glory to the country and for uniting our countrymen. He assured they at the lower house will intensify efforts to further raise and develop sports in the country.
We will conduct a review of our legislation, among others, Republic Act 10699, the National Athletes and Coaches Benefits Incentives Act. Kailangan amendahan natin para may bibigay ng suporta at tulong po sa lahat ng mga atleta natin. So we shall be conducting a review. I will ask our chairman, Mike D, to conduct a review on how we can further improve the legislation para support natin ng sports sa Pilipinas and to make the appropriate appropriations.
Apart from honoring the athletes, the House also awarded them cash incentives. Overall, Yulo took home more than 14.5 million pesos. Petesio and Villegas got 4 million pesos each, while the rest received 1 million pesos each. On behalf of the entire delegation, Yulo expressed deep gratitude, not just for the awards they received, but also for the overwhelming support from the Filipino people.
Lahat po na nagdasal po sa amin at sumuporta, nagpuyat po para mapanood po yung mga competitions namin at ma-appreciate po yung hard works and yung lahat ng paghihirap po namin na ma-perform po ng maayos yung mga performance po namin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po. God bless us all po. Ang panalo po namin ay panalo po nating lahat. Salamat po.
Petesio and Villegas were also overjoyed. They even promised they won't give up.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat kasi mas napapansin na po yung sports ngayon sa Pilipinas. Baka madami pa pong mga atletang mas magpursige po.
What's next for you, Nesty?
Basta lagi pong walang ginto, hanggat walang ginto. Yun na po.
Sobrang nakaka-proud po. Tapos bagan, the feeling po na baliwala talaga yung pagod tsaka hirap mo. Tapos yung lahat po ng pinagdaanan ko. And 12 years po as national team.
Meanwhile, even though he didn't win a medal, Filipino pole vaulter E.J. Obiena was still mobbed by many fans. He emphasized the fight is not yet over.
I just want to say thank you to all of them. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? You know, I don't think I performed to where I want to be, and all the love that I deserve, I do appreciate it big time, and I hope, as I said, I'm going to do you proud.
Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.